Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Urushiol free raw mango pulao. But first a few words of raw mango and its properties. Nutritional value to start with. Advantages of raw mango. But disadvantages of raw mango. And the worst, Urushiol, the poisonous mango toxin. Beware. For more information on Urushiol, please view these videos that I have uploaded earlier. You will get information on how to remove Urushiol, and in case you get infected with Urushiol, what to do. Please watch them. And now, to a bowl of water, add fat bursting agents like salt, vinegar and lemon juice and the raw mangoes. Soak them for 10 to 15 hours. The longer, the better. And remove Urushiol. Peel off the skin and chop one raw mango. And rinse and soak 300 grams of water for about 5 to 6 hours. And some vegetables. You can take any vegetables of your choice. These are the vegetables that I have taken. But remember to take onions also, most important, and fresh green peas. Now it's time to switch on the chef's DJ. Let's start. Now add some fresh cold pressed double filtered peanut oil or any oil that you wish, cumin seeds, and allow them to sputter. Enjoy the music, friends. And add the onion, saute lightly and enjoy it sputter too. Enjoy the music. Saute lightly so that onions don't stick to the bottom and get burnt. Now add the peas. And come on, what are we waiting for? Add the tomatoes and the carrots. Come on, why are you hesitating? Add the tomatoes. Yeah, good. And stir lightly. Add the raw mango, chopped, of course. And stir lightly again. Allow it to cook. And now add salt, coriander powder, red chili powder. Add them, don't hesitate. And stir well to mix well. And now add the rice which we had soaked earlier. Mix again, stir again, and now add the water. Remember to keep double the amount of water of the rice or till first digit of forefinger. Stir to mix and cap the pressure cooker and allow to cook. As the ladies would say, till the first whistle. That's what everyone wants to do, isn't it? The first whistle. When done, allow the cooker to depressurize on its own and look how beautiful the pulao has turned out to be. Urushiol free raw mango pulao is ready to be served. And serve and enjoy Urushiol free raw mango pulao with all and to all, and especially your enemies too, which is most important. And as I always say,
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.